everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create this plumish, glittery, smoky eye. Let's get started. For this look, I have already done my foundation and my brows, so that is why I've applied some translucent powder just under my eyes to not mess all the eyeshadow over my foundation. Step number 1. I'll be using my Sweet Beauty taupe notch palette. We will be using the following. In a rainbow shape, I'm going to apply this nude color just like this. Make sure that you blend this color nicely towards the brow line or your brow bone so that it is nice and high up. Next up is this one. This one I will also be applying in a rainbow shape, but I'm not going to blend him as high as I did the first color. Moving from the outer corner towards the inner corner in my rainbow shape. As you can see, it is not blended yet, so I need to blend. Blend, blend, blend. And this color you're not going to take as high as you did with the first color. So it needs lots of blending work. And you can see I haven't applied anything on my eyelid yet. Remember that this is a smoky eye, so you do want the color to be dark. So if you applied your first layer of eyeshadow with your second color, you can always add some more color by going back to the eyeshadow and apply it again on the eye, because you want a dark eye. So I'm going to apply another layer of the plumish color that I just used. With the same color, I'm going to just go underneath my eye as well to close the frame. Okay, and now for the other dark color, I'm going in with another Sweet Beauty color, and I'm going to use Plum again. Well, just a darker plum. And it is this one. Yeah, I don't know what happened to that eyeshadow. I can't remember though, but it's still working. So now for this color, I'm going to use it in my crease, closing the corners of my eyes. So I'm going to use it in the outer corner of my eye, applying it like in a small C, just like this. You can take it a bit through to the end, but to start you are going to use a small C shape. And then you can also go under your eye. And that you do with both eyes. The highlighter that I'm going to use for this look is going to be my foundation. Don't stress, I'll show you. So I'm going to use my Insta Perfect foundation, applying a bit on my hand. Then using a flat brush, I'm just going to apply it under my brow line Now this you dab and you don't doing circle movements, only dabbing it under my brow line, and then you can use your finger, making sure it's nice and blended. You can use foundation, concealer, whatever you would like. I'm just going to use my foundation right now, and I'm also going to apply a bit of my foundation in the inner corner of my eye. My favorite part is about to happen, and this is using my NYX glitter. Today I'll be using MGLI 05 glitter. You're going to apply your glitter primer exactly where you applied your foundation, in the inner corner of the eye. Then you go in with your glitter. Okay. So my glitter, I'll be applying over that primer. Glitter is ready and it is sparkling. Now, to make sure that the glitter is blending with the colors, I'm just going in with this one again, just to blend the colors together and nicely. Now it's time to get rid of this powder under my eyes. The bronzer that I'm going to use today is Wet n Wild Bikini Contest. Ooh, Bikini Contest. For blusher, I'll be using this MAC color, and yes, I can't see the name anymore, but it's just a nice blusher, and I'll be applying it on the apple of my cheek. Not too much, otherwise it will look like you just get very hot or you are blushing all the time. So please be gentle with blusher. Only on the apple of your cheek, blending with your bronzer. For lips, I'm going to use the Essence Miss You Much lip pencil, combining with my Essence foundation. I'll show you just now. So I've applied the lip pencil over my whole lip, and now I'm going in with my foundation just in the inner part of my lip. Now this will also help the lip to last longer. Just another tip is, if you apply lip liner over your whole lip and then add lipstick, your lipstick will last longer. So it's time for me to finish off my look with some nice liquid liner and mascara. Then I'll be back showing you how this plummy glitter look, plummy smoky glitter eye look like. And what do you think? Should I stay blonde or go brunette? Please comment below what you think my hair color should be. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram or Facebook to see some more of my work. And stay tuned for more Mia makeup tutorial videos. Bye!